Chrissy Vlog. I've never been back at it again, but I'm here now. This is my first video. I want you guys to tune in, like, comment, share after all of this. So what we have today is, oh, by the way, my hands are fully washed. I'm prepared. Everything is well sanitized. But if it makes you feel better, guys, I'll do it again. I just want to bring to you guys what I powder seasoned tonight. Chicken breast. My sister wants chicken breast. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So what I have inside, powdered down with some garlic, seasoned salt, pepper, black pepper, a little bit of chicken seasoning. We also have bell peppers. So we're gonna work on this later on. But for now, I just wanted to show off orange bell peppers, onion, and tomato. All right, guys. So here we are. You know, dinner for two for my little sister. So we do have rice, as you can see, people. It's there, so we can dig in.
All right, so we're just gonna do a little get to know Crystal. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
So we're just gonna do a little get to know Chrissy Vlog. I'm gonna ask about 10 questions, and we're gonna see what her answers are. Get to know her a little bit. So the first question I'm gonna ask is, do you believe in love at first sight?
Not quite. No, I don't.
No?
Love is sentimental. So there's no way that I can be in love, or I can love or be in love off first sight. No, I like the way you look. I like the way you speak. I mean, you know, I love the way you speak. You grasp me in certain ways, but I can't just sit and say, oh, love at first. No. Lust at first sight, maybe intrigued at first sight, yeah.
What is something that amazes you?
Consistency. I would say consistency, definitely. Nobody can keep up.
How many tattoos do you have?
I'm getting to know myself, y'all. The last time I counted was about almost 5 years ago. I had about 60.
What is your favorite color? Damn, I thought you was done.
My favorite color is, I feel like it's blue now.
Just for no reason?
It used to be green. It used to be green, but now it's blue. Blue became so sensual for me. You know, so blue.
Okay. What is the name of your favorite restaurant?
It's on my tongue. The Grills.
Okay.
The Grills, West 4th.
Who's the first person you call when something exciting happens?
Marlene and D. And for those who don't know who Marlene is, stay tuned.
You have a catchphrase.
Huh?
Do you have a catchphrase? Like, what's something you always say?
Yeah.
Well, that's true. You always.
Yeah.
Do you believe ignorance is bliss? If so, why? Or why not?
Yes. Because I feel like people feed off of toxic, bad, negative energy at times just to even get the time to reproduce. Like, you know, like not reproduce, but reiterate life for what it really is. You need that moment to feel like that negative aspect is a bliss for you, when in all reality it isn't, but it'll show time when it's time. So yeah.
Who is your celebrity crush?
Marlene. Yeah, guys, I just want to say one thing. I'm not into celebrities anymore, so I would never have a crush anymore. But I'm into realistic-ish. So with that being said, I feel like one day Marlene will definitely be that rising star. So I root for that. Now you know a little about me. So with that being said, stay tuned to get to know a little bit more.